This video explains how to adjust the hands with the digital time if it is not in sync. Follow this adjustment if there is a deviation in the time, indicated by the analog hands and the time on the digital display. Hold down Mode button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode from any other mode. In timekeeping mode, unlock and pull out the crown key to enter the setting mode. Now, hold down the altimeter button for about 5 seconds. Release the button when Hand Set appears on the display. Hour, minute and second hand calibration starts automatically. After auto alignment is complete, the hands should be in the positions as shown here. Press Mode button to check the bearing hand alignment and rotate the crown key to align the hand with 12 o'clock position. Now press Mode button again to check the function hand alignment and rotate the crown to align the hand with 12 o'clock position. Push the crown key back in and lock it by rotating it away from you. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe Gshock Middle East and Africa YouTube channel and like our videos.